So the position I had, I was working on a contract at that point with a local business who were developing a system. It was detection of airborne pathogens. So it's actually linked in with a US defense project.
Mm-hmm.
Obviously, if you've got a system for detecting airborne pathogens just when a virus that is airborne kind of takes over half the world, there's a market there. So that really boosted things forward. So I was helping them with the microfluidic system, and one of the first conversations I had was, I'm going to design your microfluidics for you. How are we going to make this? And they said, we don't know. What do you suggest? Well, by coincidence, I've just set up a company that can do this. So we had this first customer lined up from day one, and that's always been important to me on the business growth journey. The revenue is everything to me. I didn't want to be dependent on investment or grants. We have taken some, but not masses. It's always been focused on the customer. So we started off working with this one particular customer, who we've continued to work with. It comes and goes, but they're a local firm, so it's really nice to work with them. And we helped to take their project quite a long way away really, and that ability to produce the components next day. We even did same day because they're local. Literally, there's one opportunity where an email came in at 9 in the morning. Can we have 2 of these and 3 of these, please? And by 4 in the afternoon, they're on the lab bench, allowing them to
Nice.
do their research. And it's just, yes, those moments like that are just fantastic.